Hello everyone. Today on Vandal Views, we will be discussing some major water issues affecting the U.S. and Germany. Las Vegas is an artificial oasis in the Mojave Desert, a city known for taking everything to excess. Tourists from around the world travel here to try their luck, but for those who are supplying the water to this oasis, their luck is running out. Las Vegas is now in its 13th year of a severe drought.
Finding a water problem for Germany was a little difficult in the beginning because when I first looked into the topic, I found out Germany was a country with a sufficient water supply. When I looked into water quality, I found a country with strict regulation from the EU, but also from the federal, lander, and local levels. Upon digging deeper, I found a city such as Berlin with problems associated with being divided post-World War II and with water quality issues for surface water coming in from East Germany.
Since 1999, when the severe drought in the southwestern United States began, the water level of Lake Mead, Las Vegas's primary source of drinking water, has dropped more than 100 feet. Pat Mulroy, general manager of the Southern Nevada Water Authority, is very worried about the drop in water level at Lake Mead. Since the drought began, Ms. Mulroy and the SNWA have implemented numerous mitigation strategies. Some of these strategies include xeriscaping, replacing grass with Water Smart Landscape, the Pool Cover Rebate Program, and the Water Smart Home Program. With just these three programs, the Las Vegas Valley is saving over 7 billion gallons of water annually. But Lake Mead continues to dwindle.
Germany is located in Western Europe. It is a country slightly larger than the state of Nevada and smaller than the state of Montana. Comprising the former republics of West Germany and East Germany, it now has the fourth largest GDP in the world. A country that is rich also in water resources, unlike both the western states of Nevada or Montana. Water that is used for agriculture, thermal energy production, mining, manufacturing, and public water supply. Germany has a total net water production of 5.2 billion cubic meters or 1.3 trillion gallons of water per day. Of the public water supply systems in the country, 40% are private-owned companies and 60% are publicly owned utilities. Yet Germany uses only 20% of its overall water capacity. The average German consumer uses 122 liters of water per day or 32 gallons of water per day. Berlin is Germany's largest city and the capital of Germany since reunification in 1990. This also is the focus of my paper, and this city is the focus of my discussion. It also has Germany's largest water and wastewater treatment company, following some strictest water standards in the world imposed by the federal government.
With the large population growth which hit the valley at the end of the last century and continues even to today, Las Vegas's need for drinkable water has increased greatly. And even though Las Vegas has made great strides towards water conservation, Lake Mead's bathtub ring continues to grow. The pipe system which is used to pump Lake Mead's water into Las Vegas continues to be exposed as water levels continue to drop. This poses a huge problem for Lake Mead, and new tunnels have to be built deeper into the basin. Continuously digging new tunnels is not the solution to Las Vegas's water shortage. My solution to the water shortage is to have the SNWA, City of Las Vegas, State of Nevada, and private stakeholders, namely casinos, build a desalination plant off the coast of California. Now, this would take a lot of collaboration with the before-named contributors along with California, but I see this as the most viable option in solving the water shortage. The way Lake Mead's water is distributed, Nevada gets the smallest portion. If Nevada were to build a desalination plant, the water produced there would go to California rather than be pumped over to Nevada. In giving California the water, Las Vegas would in turn receive an equal portion of the water California is currently taking from Lake Mead.
The quality of Berlin's drinking water is indeed outstanding. In the summer of 2003, drinking water in 270 German cities with a population of more than 40,000 was tested in the largest comparative study carried out to date. one of the top performers, Berlin. Berlin's water was awarded the grade Good Plus, consistently meeting all requirements as stipulated by local drinking water regulations and EU guidelines. Berlin's water is of the same quality as, or indeed better than, bottled water. You can just ask a squirrel drinking from a fountain in one of Berlin's parks. The first wastewater treatment plant built in Germany was in Frankfurt Main in 1867, and the first one in Berlin, Germany was built in 1873 to help control the spread of infectious diseases, including cholera and many others. This here is a picture of Germany's first outdoor restroom. Note the airdrop waste treatment plant. With nearly 10,000 wastewater treatment plants in Germany, this system is tightly organized and regulated at the local, lander, and the federal levels of government. Germany has nitrogen removal rates of 74% to 81% and phosphorus removal on the average of 91% in 2009. Treated wastewater volume of 10.1 billion cubic meters, or equivalent to 2.1 trillion gallons per year. Germany invested 4.5 billion euros, or about $6 billion US dollars. In Berlin, particularly high requirements are set for cleaning wastewater. Berlin's 6 wastewater treatment plants clean approximately 620,000 cubic meters, or about 163 million gallons of wastewater per day. Treated wastewater or effluent flows into the River Spree and the River Havel. These bodies of water are slow-moving and have low volume. For primary treatment, raw water, which is pumped by the pumping station through pressure pipes to the wastewater treatment plants, initially passes through the mechanical treatment stage. Coarse solid materials such as paper, textiles, wood, and plastics are removed in the screening plants.
In comparison, Las Vegas and Germany have majorly different water problems. Las Vegas is sitting in an arid oasis, which is quickly running out of water, whereas Germany sits atop a vast water supply and is only using an estimated 20% of its overall potential. But even though Germany has no shortage in water, it does have a problem with water quality. Though the quality of water has improved greatly in Berlin since the reunification, strides are still being taken towards better water quality. The water being pumped from Lake Mead into Las Vegas does not have a water quality problem like in Germany. Since these two locations are so vastly different and suffer from completely different water problems, it is safe to say the solution in Las Vegas would not work in Germany, and vice versa.